Well, I'm here to pick up my kiddos' school supplies. After all of Mr. H's emails about drop-off and pickup procedures, I have a pretty good idea of what to do. Oh, here's our first stop. Hey, there's Mr. H. Hey, Mr. Holtvluwer, how you doing today? Hey, look at you wearing a mask. Thanks for doing that for the safety of our MHE team members who are helping out today. Of course. Hey, I read your emails, Mr. H. I'm doing good. And how are you doing? Well, it's definitely not how we envisioned our school year to end, that's for sure, but we're gonna make the best of it. Thanks for following our pickup and drop-off schedule so closely. Who are you here for today? I'm here to pick up Luke's school supplies. Perfect. Now remind me again how to spell your last name. V-L-T-V-W-E-R. Yeah, thanks for doing that. Now, do you happen to have any medication you need to pick up that was stored at school? Nope, no medication. Okay, now do you have any technology or library books to drop off? Or any other items that are the property of our school or classroom teachers? Oh, I do have to drop off some library books as well. Awesome. So I'm going to circle that you're here to drop off books and to pick up your student school supplies. And I'll tape this card to your windshield so that everybody here in our car line knows what you're here to accomplish. Fantastic. And here is the route that you'll need to follow. Now, since you don't have any technology to drop off or any medication to pick up, you can follow this map, and now you can skip those first two stations and head straight to station 3. Someone will get the books out of the car for you. Then at station 4, one of our team members will deliver your students' items throughout that same door. Oh, and Mr. H, are all of your MHE team members following proper social distancing protocols? Of course, each team member is wearing a mask and gloves per CDC and district regulations and recommendations. Hey, we take the safety of our teachers and community very seriously. Well, that is great news. We were a little nervous to get out of the house, but Luke is so excited to see his teachers waving today. Yes, our grade level teachers are lined up right at the curve where they're going to be waving goodbye. Now, they are also following very strict social distancing protocols. So as much as Luke may want to, no getting out of the car and hugging Mr. Ruby. You got it. All right, well, I'm going to have you head on your way. I'm going to let our people in the gymnasium know you're on your way. The Holtvluwers are here. You have a great summer. Have a great day, Mr. H. Man, that guy is annoying. Have a great summer. Sheesh, that guy is annoying.